Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. Welcome back again with the revisional video and notes of your social study. So today we are going to cover chapter 13, time. Chapter 13, time. Time can be measured with different things. That means clock and sun's rising. Okay students, let me see calendar and clock. Okay, during the day. Calendar show day and year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. And clock show this time. What is time? Clock 3 o'clock. Okay. Chapter 13, time. Let's do it. Let's see how the length of a shadow change during the day. Take the help of your teacher or an elders to do this activity. Things you need: a long, strong stick or a metal rod, a pipe of chalk. Search for an open space in the school ground or outside your home. Fix the stick firmly into the ground. Go outside into the morning at around 7 or 8 o'clock. Look at the length of the shadow cast by the stick on the ground. Mark it. Note down the time beside it. Do this again once at noon 12 o'clock and once in the late afternoon 4 o'clock. What do you notice? Is the length of the shadow the same throughout the day? Is the shadow at the same place throughout the day? When is the shadow the shortest and when it is longest? Share your friending with your teacher. Okay. The sound of the birds, that means during of the day, morning, noon and sunset, evening, afternoon and night. So let's start. The sound of birds chirping wakes Lena from sleep. She looks out of the windows. The sun has risen. There is lights all around. It is morning. The sun is rising. What is time is? Morning. Lena has go to get ready for school. It is lunch time in Lena's school. The sun is high up in the sky. The sun is high. That means head up in the sky. It is hot and bright. Outside there is classroom. That time is noon. It is noon. Okay. Lena is tired but happy. School is over and Lena is going home. Lena climbs into the school bus. Lena climbs into the school bus. It is very hot. This part of the day is called afternoon. Lena has come home after playing. The sun is setting. It is like an orange ball. Low down is the sky. Bird is flying home to sleep. It is becoming dark. It is evening. Okay? Dark shapes. The sun is a dark shape. What time is? Evening time. Lena will be eat a dinner soon. It is dark outside. The moon and stars are shining in the sky. It is night. Lena is in bed fast asleep. That means time is night. Change the shadow. Have you ever looked at the ground when you are out in the sun? There will be a dark shape following you around. This is your shadow. This is your shadow. A shadow is formed when something blocks light. The length of a shadow changes during the course of a day. Shadow are long in the morning and evening. Shadow long in the morning and evening. When the sun is low down in the sky. Shadow are shortest at noon when the sun is overhead. A shadow is made when an object blocks light. Light travels in straight line, so if it is blocked, there must be shadow formed. Shadow made by sun. Early morning, the sun is low in the sky and cast a long shine. Okay? Early morning, the sun low in the sky. Midday, the sun is above the tree and cast a short shadow. The sun is above the tree and casts a short shadow. Up and short shadow. In the evening, the sun is low in the sky. In the evening, the sun is low in the sky and casts a long shadow. Okay? Evening time, long shadow. The sun is low. The sun is low in the sky and shadow is long. That means time is evening. Telling time. Telling time. Analog clock. This is an analog clock face. The number round the clock face are hour. There are 12 hours marked on the clock. That means 12 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 hours. Okay? Marked on the clock. Telling the time. The line around the edges are minutes. There are 60 minutes marked on the clock. This is because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes in 1 hour. That means 5 and is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Skip count by fives. We know that 60 minutes are not the clock. There are 5 minutes from 12, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and so on. That means 12, that means 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 indicate that means 5. 5, 5, 12, 5, 12, 10, 12, 15, 12, 4, 20, 12, 25, 12, 30 and so on. Okay. Count with me by fives around the clocks. Okay students, 60, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, that means 60. Is that clear? Telling the time. The small hand points to the hour. The big hand points to the minutes. When the big hand points to 12, the time is o'clock. That means, look at the picture and clock. Big hand points minute. Big hand points minute and short hand point hour. Okay, that means 3. Short hand 3 and big hand 12. Telling time 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay. For quarters, if you were to slice the clocks into 4 equal, if you were to slice the clock into 4 equal sections, we would have 4 quarters. Each quarter represent a 15-minute section. That means one clock is 4 part equal divide. One part is 15 minutes. 5, 5, 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes, one part is 15 minutes. That means 4 part is 15 minutes. So 15 multiply 4. 60. Okay students. Numbers of day. In the week there are always 7 days. 5 days during the week. Saturday and Sunday are in the weekend. In the month of the years there are different days. Feb 28 days, 30, April, June, September and November. Feb month 28 days, that means leap year, 29 days. Okay, after 4 years. What month is 30 days? April, June, September and November. 31 days this month. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Okay. Day of the week. First day Monday, second day Tuesday, third day Wednesday, fourth day Thursday, fifth day Friday, 6 day Saturday, and 7 day Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That means, look here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Now next, month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months. Now come to the explain. Word meaning. Shadow, a dark shape formed when something blocks light. Clock, a device which use the time. Hands, the long and short arrow. What? The long and short arrows that show the hours and the minutes. Calendar, a chart which show the day and weeks in a year. Next, filling the blanks. When the sun rises and there is light all around, we say it is dash. We say it is dash. Morning. 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 Okay. Second one. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky at night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Now third one, a clock has two. Do you know, students? A clock has two hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. A year has dash month. Do you know, student? A year has dash 12 months. A year has 12 months. Now, fifth one, a week has dash day. A week has dash day 7 days. A week has 7 days. Is that clear? Complete the following pairs. Complete the following pairs. First one, walking. Walking up. What time? Morning. That sleeping. Dash night. N-I-G-S-T. Sleeping pair nights. Now second one, clock pair time. Calendar dash. Calendar day and year. Okay. Now third one, Monday week. Monday week. January month. January month. M-O-N-T-H. Okay. Now fifth one, year 365 days. Year 365 days. And week, how many days there in a week? Week 7 days. 7 days. Is that clear, students? Thanks for watching this video, students. Thank you and have a nice day.